Good morning, guys. I'm about to go. My whole morning was watching India. She has like a light cold, so I was constantly wiping her nose. But every time I wipe her nose, she laughs. So that's really weird, but at least she's happy and doesn't cry or run away when I try and clean her nose. But anyways, we're about to go to Pet Smart, I think. And I'm going to a cookout today. Hey, Tree. What's wrong with you? I gotta wash clothes, I gotta wash my hair, and I gotta study. Good morning, Tinkers. Say good morning. And say good morning. You guys, our pool is open. Yeah, you have to go through there. Like, what's today? I have to go through that little door. Today is Monday, and the pool is open.
Oh, you gotta go through here.
Look at the cats. My baby loved those cats. I'm gonna get her one. I want a cat. You want a cat, Tinkers?
You be at your own house.
We're gonna get a cat, okay?
You're gonna be right there in your own house.
With Pixie and Pearly.
Ooh. But her the bottom part. Pissy and poopy.
So this is how we ride sometimes.
Ooh.
Baby got her funky feet in my face. She wants to get up or what?
Yeah.
Oh my lordy. She was eating at the table. Oh my goodness.
Would you leave it? Leave it alone.
Okay. Oh, she said something.
She don't know what she wants.
Indy is getting so grown up. You look so cute today. Did TT buy that outfit for you? It look cute with your little lace. You cute. India. Yeah, India. India, I really need to clean your nasty nose. Come on. India. Come here.
India.
Come on. And I gotta get it. Let me look. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Come on. Come on. We gotta get out the cut. Come on. Let me clean it. Let me clean it. And let me get the nose. Let me clean it. 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 Let me clean it, bro. Come on. Got you. Come on, let me just clean it real quick. Look at this. Let me just clean it real quick. Let me get. Got it. All right, you free. Oh, you need help? You got it? Okay. All right. All right. You got it. Okay, there we go. Girl, we can't get no copyright. Sorry. I'm with my Tati. I miss her so much.
Hi guys.
Don't you guys miss her? I know y'all
miss me.
Yeah.
I miss y'all too. Me and Paris about to go to my house and smash on this food. It's so good, y'all. I'm about to eat again.
Oh my god. There's nothing wrong with that.
I don't know what's going on. Babe, I might need you. It's not cutting. But what am I cutting through? Huh? I am cutting the meat. It's not the meat. It's not the meat. It's like something else.
The bone?
I don't know. Yeah. I'm guessing. But why ain't it? All right, we gotta rip it.
Go ahead.
All right. That's what it is. It's like a bone right in the middle. Hey, Coco. You're so cute. Is that all you want? You want more?
No, that's good.
All right, cool. This is so good. They're gonna be like, you gotta rip it.
Gotta rip it.
You gotta rip it.
You want some cocoa? Tatiana, she's like delivering some hair, and the girl said throw it underneath a silver car, so that's what she's doing. Look at Tati, y'all. Throwing it under the car. Oh my lord. Tatiana dying.
Oh gosh, y'all. I never did this in my life. This is so ratchet. This chick said put my hair under the car. She really want her hair, y'all.
Y'all, my day was so crazy. Trey, did you have a good day?
It's alright.
Why was it alright?
Because I ain't do nothing but chores all day.
Well, did you hear me when I was telling Mama about that guy we saw?
No.
Well, I'm going to tell y'all, but Trey, you just listen. Anyways, when I was out with Tatiana, we was in that scary neighborhood. It was scary. It said criminal watch, neighborhood
What
watch. It
neighborhood?
was scary, huh? We went to this neighborhood to drop off some hair. Tatiana, she sells hair as like a side business. And we was at this creepy neighborhood. It was scary. Like, it was dark. It said all these signs that said neighborhood watch and all that. So we go to the gas station, and while we're getting gas, we see all these people are like looking back, but they're like laughing.
Pixie.
They're like cracking up.
Why Pearly trying to hog all the treats though?
Cause Pearly fatty.
She wouldn't even let Pixie get the treat. I had to get Harry Pixie. God dang.
You listening?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we went to the gas station. We see all these people that's like staring out, like looking this way. We just want to know what's going on. So I look. It's this guy that's drunk. He falls like 3 times and try to get up, struggling to get up like 3 times. He all woozy. He all doing all this. It was crazy. So then the dude, he wants to cross the street, drunk. He all falling back like this while he walking. And we was dying, Tree. And guess where he tried to go? The liquor store.
Oh my God.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. We'll see you tomorrow.